Ready, start. The court is neither concerned with the policy nor with the rates, but in appropriate proceedings it may inquire into the question whether relevant considerations have gone in and irrelevant considerations kept out while determining the price. In case the legislature has laid down the pricing policy and prescribed the factors which should guide the determination of the price, then the court will, if necessary, inquire into the question whether policy and factors were present to the mind of the authorities specifying the price. The assembling of raw materials and mechanics of price fixation are the concern of the executive, and it should be left to the executive to do so, and the courts would not reevaluate the consideration even if the prices are demonstrably injurious to some manufacturers and producers. The court will, however, examine if there is any hostile discrimination. We start with the observation single inverted comma price fixation is neither the function nor the authority of the court single inverted comma close. We concern ourselves neither with the policy nor with the rates, but we do not totally deny ourselves the jurisdiction to inquire into the question in appropriate proceedings whether relevant considerations have gone in and irrelevant considerations kept out of the determination of the price. For example, if the legislature has decreed the pricing policy and prescribed the factors which should guide the determination of the price, we will, if necessary, inquire into the question whether the policy and the factors are present to the mind of the authorities specifying the price. We will go no further. We will not deludge ourselves with more facts and figures. The assembling of the raw materials and the mechanics of price fixation are the concern of the executive, and we leave it to them. And we will not re-evaluate the considerations even if the prices are demonstrably injurious to some manufacturers or producers. The court will of course examine if there is any hostile discrimination, that is a different single inverted comma cup of tea single inverted comma close altogether. This was a policy decision taken by the respondent company with regard to price fixation. Any increase in prices for the core sector industries will automatically affect market economy. Taking an instance, increase in the price of coal to the electricity board will have a serious impact on every institution or an individual consuming electricity. Electricity has become an essential commodity and is required for running industry, commercial activity, locomotives, agriculture, and for the domestic use. Every category of consumers shall have to pay more, resulting in cascading effect of increasing the price of every commodity. This is not the case of industries like paints, lime, etc., which are used once in a while. By any increase in the price of coal supplied to them, the common man would not be affected much. Even otherwise, the increase in the price is passed on the consumers by the appellants. Their end product does not have a national bearing. The products of these industries are not of everyday concern for the common man.